The first kilometer in from the coastline of the Great Lakes, especially naturally vegetated areas, is a critical area for migrating birds. Birds of prey and songbirds are concentrated in this band of coastline during their movements, particularly in the fall along the north shore of Lake Ontario here. So here I am at Ostrander Point, where there's a proposed wind farm on public land owned by the Ministry of Natural Resources of Ontario. It's Crown land, and there's 9 wind turbines proposed here. 200 meters from the shore, and you can sort of see Lake Ontario in the distance at the end of the road there. And right beside me here is the site of turbine number 4. We're only 200 meters from the shore. That's approximately twice the height of one of these turbines, not including the height of the blades.